Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to connect Jira to N8N. First, go to the N8N platform and click on Add First Step. In the search bar, type Jira and select Jira software from the list. You'll see a list of available actions. Click on Get an Issue, Change Log, or any action you need. Next, click on Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Now, enter your email address and API token. Open a new tab and search for Jira. Copy your Jira instance URL and paste it into the domain field in N8N. Click Save Store the credentials. After that, choose the resource you want to work with, such as an issue, issue attachments, or issue commands. Then, select the operation, for example, change log, create or delete. If you're creating an issue, go to the project section and select the project either from the list or by ID. Then, select the issue type, enter a summary for the issue, and fill out any other necessary fields. Once everything is set, go back to your workflow, run the node, and check if it executes successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.